The Bay Area is known for its entrepreneurial spirit. Innovation fuels our economic engine and San Francisco's identity. How do young people build the creative confidence they need to co-create our future? Right here at the Children's Creativity Museum. Our public programs for all ages and teen internships unlock doors to discovery. Let's hear from some of our current and former interns about how CCM shaped their pathways. The first thing I saw were the critters in IML, or Imagination Lab. It was during a general admission day. I saw kids playing with the blue blocks. They were playing with the green screen slide and just everyone having fun. And I thought to myself wow, this is a really fun place.
I would say CCM influenced my life paths. I've always had an interest in art, but I think it just fostered that more. I really appreciate the space for that. Gives artists and creatives room to really indulge in their creative side.
CCM, really gave me the confidence I needed and the permission that I needed to really get that hands-on experience with all different types of kids from all different types of family backgrounds. And I don't think that I would have had the sort of on-the-fly confidence of working with children had I not done an internship here.
CCM, especially the internship, definitely changed the game for me. We had a mentor with us, so it was nice to have someone there to kind of guide you throughout the internship process. And I feel like this internship definitely helped me learn more about myself. What is my teaching style, or what are some things that I need to work on myself, and how do I use that to help kids?
I have never ran a field trip before, but luckily I had a background working with kids, and that also helped out a lot. That also helped develop my personal and professional skills as an educator, while also being able to help visitors on the museum floor as well. I know professionally, CCM did build my experience even outside of the museum with growth mindset versus a fixed mindset. At first, I came into the museum with a fixed mindset, and I didn't know that I did. But I also learned how to have a growth mindset to see things in a different way and from different angles in order to come up with a creative solution or approach.
And creative confidence is what we're all about here, and I guess I see a lot of that at Mystery Box. The kids are creating their own device, character, creature, some sort of invention of sorts, and then they want to talk about it, share it, tell you the ins and outs of it. I think that's where I see the most creative confidence spark and aha moments, just proving to themselves that they could do it.
When I first walked into CCM, I was immediately met with this overwhelming sense of being welcomed, being united with other people. It was so easy to get comfortable with the other staff that was here. It was I knew them for a super long time already, and I just got to immediately connect with them, and I really appreciated that. It was my first internship, so it was really helpful for me to get settled into CCM.
If you had asked me 3 years ago if I had ever expected to be the exhibits manager here at the museum, I would have thought you were crazy. That I was able to come aboard and over the matter of a few years, very quickly learn all of these different skills that help me in my current position today. Whether it's using programs like Illustrator and Photoshop for graphic design, or using CAD programs to design 3D objects and 3D print to use on the museum floor, or designing things to use for our laser cutter. I owe it all to CCM for trusting me in the first place to be able to learn those skills and put them into effect.
The Children's Creativity Museum has launched the careers of more than 200 interns and planted the seeds of creativity for 250,000 children and youth, and we're just getting started. Support our Creative Pathways program to build the next generation's creativity and collaboration skills today so that we can meet tomorrow's challenges together.